naman. Guys, iiwan ko na sila. Bye, Kat. Bye, Ate Yaya. Welcome. Good morning.
Welcome back to Surigao. Welcome to Surigao, everybody. Rise and shine.
Ooh, literal sunrise.
Hi guys! Good morning. We're in Surigao. Okay. Okay guys, so time check. It's currently 7:22 a.m. October 23. And it's Twin Surigao! Twin Surigao! So this is the first clip of the vlog. Kasi sobrang aga ng flight namin kanina. Like, deads. Ano ngayon? Pinapractice ni Match yung TikTok namin.
Nagising pa ako ng konti para mag-video. No?
Naka-video ka pa pala.
Ano lang, taputulog ulit ako.
Girl, say hi to my vlog! Look who's here! Look who's here! Girl, this is long overdue Surigao trip. After, what? 5 fucking years?
Yeah, after pandemic.
Kaya yan, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
38. Kami ng coffee. So, ang weird ng weather, oh. Tignan mo, it's so sunny, but it's also raining. Okay. There's bread! I'm gonna buy bread! Babaunin namin dun sa Sugba Lagoon. Oo. Okay, kuya. Kakapilang kami. Ay, oo nga, no? Prop talaga. Oh, girl, coffee tayo. Sino ka dyan? Uso mo pa yan. Cute ka. Ako nag-prop ka. Ayun, oh. Ay. Spanish latte po.
Spanish. Ice, ma'am.
Ice.
Okay, guys.
Ang saya, meron ano dito. Meron silang machine.
Sa Gcash ka, ma'am.
Check. This is the paycheck nobody asked for. Red. What? Of course, black. Always black. Oh, here's the coffee. Let's try the coffee. Bumili din kami ng bread. Fancy nice. Ang bread. Paunin namin siya. Throughout the whole tour. Baka magutom ba. Magubuhay na ako. Ang sabi ko yun. Ako din magubuhay na ako. Pare-pareho ko naman.
Kape.
Hindi makafunction ng
Weather dito.
Okay naman, masasatisfy.
Parang hindi ginagawa kape sa bahay. Parang ganito. Matapang lang.
Meron silang makeup.
Matapang lang. Wala sa konti. I like
Okay, let's go. Papasok na po kami sa Encantadia. Ito yung Encantadia na yan. Papasok natin. Oh, shit. Ay! Let's go mga... Okay. Hi, guys. This is the second destination of the day. Oh, magpupungkol. Last napunta ko dito. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Okay. Okay po, kuya. Okay. Lunch. Freaking lunch. Nandito kami sa Mama Sol Grill. And we don't recommend. Sobrang tagal ng serving, guys. Like 1 hour plus. Like shit. Wow. So, dessert. There's always room for a dessert. Same price to kuya ng nasa General Luna. Oh. Okay, gelato time. Gelato o'clock.
Kuya, may
I
tissue
miss it.
ka?
Ito, meron.
Excuse me po. Ano naman yung flavor?
Blueberry and coffee. No god. Eh, yeah.
Ang sarap nilang coffee.
Hindi ko na. Time check, I don't know. Time check what?
2:25.
It's currently 2:25 p.m. And nandito na kami sa third destination, which is Maasin River. And sobrang peaceful. Hindi siya maaraw thankfully. And hindi din maulan. So, it's so nice here. Look at that! Oh my God, ang ganda ng langit from here. And hello, Madge. The front liner. Ganda. Tao lang daw. Ang ganda, shit. Ang ganda, oh. Sobrang relaxing. Third time ko na dito. First time maulan. Second time, medyo maulan. And today, hindi siya maulan. And less crowd, which is good. Ganda, shit, oh. Parang yung sa Bohol. Hello!
Guys, welcome to
Jurassic Park. Pero si Kuya Ian, ano pa rin yung sa SM? Employee.
Full-time pa din siya.
Bird is that is so pretty. Parang pamaypay.
Tanggal ng pagod.
Oh, parang nga tayo na si Jungle Love.
Ganda.
Tayo nga. Tayo nasa We're entering another dimension. Encantadia. Kapangyarihan ng o kapangyarihan ng lupa. I-edit mo man.
Lagyan mo man. Ganda.
Ano na lang yung montage. Okay. Hey guys! Vlog update. It's 3:36. So, then na kami sa Maasin River. Si Maji basang-basa. Kasi tumalo na naman siya dun sa talunan. Lahat talaga tinatalunan siya. Baka sa coconut plantation tumalon din.
Ang goal natin ngayon ay talunan lahat. Pati sa pang bridge na tayo. Ay!
Lahat tinatalunan niya, ate ko.
Ano tayo sa Apang bridge?
Pinalaking ano ata to eh. Jumper. Hey, bakit tawa-tawa?
Shopping na kayo?
Nakita niya kasi yung mukha ko before nangyari yung tragedy.
Matatawa talaga ako.
Akala daw niya, ano ba yun, babe? Yung malalim inisip ko.
Oh!
Guys, funny story.
Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ito si Ate Haya. Muntik na silang bumaliktad sa bangka. Kasi tumalon siya kay Kuya. Kasi akala niya may tuko. Akala niya may tuko. Yung pala umutot lang si Kuya. Tuko! Tuko!
Natanggal yung tsinelas ko, tapos yung bag
Si
ko
ate,
na.
bumaba si ate eh.
Agis doon.
Ayun no.
Buti hindi nga sa ilog
May tuko.
bumagsak yung bag
May tuko
ko.
daw. Tawa ako eh.
Ginagrabyado mo pa si ate. Pinababa mo pa ng bangka.
Tinignan niya. Pero may tuko daw doon, di ba sabi
Oo,
niya?
sinabi rin sa amin. Ay, ang sinabi sa amin.
Pero sabi,
Pero
iba,
hindi niya kinuwento na may tuko.
hindi naman daw pupunta yung tuko dun sa bangka.
Hindi niya kinuwento may tuko. Sabi ko, te, may tuko ba? Oo, daw, meron daw.
So, vlog update. We're in Secret Beach. Madge, welcome to Secret Beach. Not so secret anymore. Pang chill nga lang talaga siya. Like, chill. With the view. So, hindi ko siya napuntahan last time. So, I think pwede itong takbuhin eh, from us. Hotel yun eh. Hotel yun dito sa kabila. Parang yun yung vibe. Ayun, private property. So yeah, it's currently 4 PM. Probably hindi na kami magtatagal dito kasi pwede naman kami bumalik if we want to. Pero we just wanna check the vibe here. Ang daming nag-ano doon. Ang tawag doon na skating? Ano, skateboard sa road prior to going here. Apparently, it's a thing here sa may Secret Beach. Mga Gen Z cool people. Pagod lang talaga tayo. Okay guys, just woke up from a quick nap. Ang ganda kasi dito guys. Tapos parang ang maririnig mo lang ay hindi ko alam, parang may nagdo-drone nga eh. Ewan ko ba kung nananaginip ba ako.
At nantok ako din sa ano ng keyboard.
Oo, di ba? Tweet na may nagtitweet. Tapos maya parang may drone. Yun ba yun? Hi, it's 4:30. So mga 30 minutes kami dito. And then we're heading back. Pinakagat na.
Ganyan no? Ganyan no?
Ay, sorry. Okay. Here's our dinner. Here's my dinner.
Double lager.
Yes. Guys, let's last carbo loading. Nasi goreng, pasta, chicken.
May magtubig tayo kung ako tayo nagtubig.
Kaya nga, hindi man lang nabawasan yung ano, yung tubig na ano nyo.
Oo, kasi malamig.
Tatlong skewer.
Pwede po pa microwave.
Sarap.
Walang
Ba't walang Belgian? Yummers. Salted. Caramel. Picturean mo. Ay, hindi mo na.
Ako sa iyo ah. Good morning. Bridge. Okay, runner.
stretch time.
Fuck. ka. Last break.
Last break before dying.
Guys.
Malapit na kami natulan, guys. Ano na lang? 4 kilometers.
Kaya naman eh, ang init lang.
Okay. Last 4 before 30.
Nandito kami sa Cloud9.
Mainit na. Dito. Hi, guys.
Hindi ko alam kung kita ka. This is us after 30K.
I'm so dead. My God.
Ang hirap nung last part. Oh my
Ayoko na.
gosh. But we made it.
We did
Guys.
We did it.
Guys, happy birthday, Kat.
Let's
Happy
go.
30th, Kat.
Let's go. Vlog update. It's 9:53 a.m. And we just run 30 kilometers. 30 freaking kilometers. I don't know kung paano
Happy
namin
30th
nagawa
birthday.
yun. Alam mo kung hindi ko lang 30, nag-give up na ako ng 24. Nag-give up na ako ng 24. Total 24 naman yung record, di ba? Pero kasi, ang motivation ko ay birthday ko. Like, si Maggie, hindi nag-give up. Pero alam ko pag sinabi ko,
Bagal ko na sa dulo.
alam ko pag sinabi kong 24 na lang tayo,
Give up na rin ako.
papayag siya. Pero syempre, hindi kami pinalaki ni CM. Ayun na, nasa utak ko din yun.
Ako din.
Ay, hindi kami pinalaki ni CM para mag-give up. Kaya namin to. So yun, nandito kami ngayon sa ice bath. We're gonna try the ice bath. Here? Okay. Slippers. Ay, slippers. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so dito kami ngayon sa ice bath na tapat ng villa namin for a well-deserved recovery because the fuck! And then magkakape kami later. Basta today is like chill for the rest of the day. Eat, chill, recovery, whatever. Sleep. Ah, shucks. Look at that. What's that? Wait, sorry. Nakalimutan ko kasi magdala ng slippers. So, sandals lang yung dala ko. Okay, so you have to fill out first. How often do you change the water?
Are you over 18?
Yes.
Are you 18? That feels like 18. We're not 18 but we're feeling it. We're feeling it anyway. How often do you change the water, ate?
Sorry?
How often do you change the water?
We do it like 3 times a week. And every day naman, and every night, just pinafilter siya.
How many minutes can you last?
Kapag the first time and every
No,
day,
you.
10 minutes.
Grabe.
Ano na yun? Correct.
Yeah, so ice bath will teach you to embrace temporary discomfort, notice the healing nature of sensation, and explore and recognize ways to a bit colder. For the first time, the benefits of ice bath will help you to recover deeply.
Thank you.
So if you guys having a bad sleeping patterns, also help you to calm your body and reduce your stress. And also have instant energy, stronger immunity, and also burn fat. And next one is mental toughness, so it builds great resilience and a sharp mind.
Mental overview.
Under pressure.
Okay.
Exercise. Okay, whenever you're ready, guys. So the girls gonna go first.
Okay.
And let's do the breathing exercise after.
What's 3 minutes? After running for 4 hours. What's this? Guys, we're gonna do this. Are we gonna do this? There's 2 branches, no? Napas by the
and
That's right. Ate, can you take a seat?
So just deep inhale and exhale through your mouth. One more inhale. Then exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Then inhale. One hold. Then exhale. You can shake your body, remove the stress.
Shake it off.
Out. So the technique when you go in, so just hold the side, start inside, inhale, and then when you go down, exhale. Just direct your body inside. Then you can sit here, and then you can put your feet here.
Okay, so we're gonna do it.
Saan po yung head?
Here.
Oo, tapos dito yung
Elevate like.
nakataas, patungo. Pwede mo siyang
Okay.
kasi pwede nyo pag sobrang lamig, pwede nyo, or masakit, pwede nyo angat yung feet mo sa taas.
Okay.
And yung hands like this. Pero mas okay na nakababa talaga siya.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Whenever you're ready, guys, we're gonna start the timer.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, inhale.
Inhale. When you go down, exhale.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Goodness gracious. So cold.
Hey. You can still stand.
Gosh. Gosh.
Breathe.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
Doon na.
Yeah. You can move your head. Mas okay na sa version.
O, then natin.
Push.
Good. Good. My God. My God.
Right mo yung body.
Good. Very good. My God. Wow.
Yeah, it is sugar. Okay. Breathe. Very normal. Good job. Good job. Okay. Breathe.
20 minutes in.
This is us after. All red. All red from
This is us.
before and after.
And after.
Okay. Oh, that smells good though.
Yeah, just shower first.
Woo! Oh my God. Sumakit yung ano ko, yung dead nails.
Ay, ako ngayon.
Sumakit yung dead nails ko during... Hey, di ba? R.I.P. Sino nga matatanggal na yung kalye?
Wala naman dyan.
Mine is black. Mine is
Like
black.
overrunner.
Ang saya.
Meron pa ako sa kamay.
Para kami tinusok ng 1,000 noodles in our body. Ooh.
Sabi tinagin ng customer, kaya daw siguro pink beans, kasi paglabas nyo,
Di, right.
lakad, pink
Parang Iceland. Sabi ko, ganito ba nararamdaman ng mga nasa Iceland? Okay.
Yan yung nararamdaman ni Jack. Sa Thailand.
Wala na. Pulang-pula pa din siya. Tingnan mo. Nanginginig pa rin. Nanginginig. Akin na wala na. Parang ito lang yung... Jack. Ganun pala naramdaman ni Rose and Jack sa Titanic.
Guys, yung kuko namin na maalam na.
Sana rin sa'yo.
Maalam na siya, be.
Wait. Magkaano pa siya? Parang parehas. Ba't ganyan? Parang magkadugtong.
Twinning. Pati sa patay na kuko, twinning.
Ano nga na? Sarap. Itong coconut.
Checking
Walang kita doon.
the office.
Ano yan?
Have more responsibility now.
Okay, taste test.
This case, kape din.
Kape din. Sarap. Sarap, diba?
Kaya ko yung laban niya. Hinilig sa kape. Picture.
Well, let me know if you need anything.
Kaya, kapang nagong sa akin.
Ito yung pinaka...
Arrive from
Try ko
the
lang. Tapa.
Try pa ng try.
Masarap matamis. Lasa coconut mo yan.
Let's see.
Pero ang sarap. Ang sarap. Pili ako niyan. Mamaya.
Mamaya agad, hindi ba pwedeng bukal?
Sarap. Malambot.
Eh, alam mo, last na Siargao ko nung February, walang tumatak na kape. Sa dami ng kape na pinuntahan namin. Kasi hindi ko pala natikman. Hindi rin siya lagi siyang sarado.
Wala siya limit na natin.
Saka hindi niya din natikman. Ang sarap sila.
Pili ako niyan. Sarap.
Life changing.
Okay, yan na pala. Meron ng tumatak na ano.
Oh, wala talaga siyang tumatak dito. Usapan nila dito.
Naging president.
Ang mag-ice bath ang usapan nila.
Oo, group ice bath daw. Partner ko yung walang libag. Tag ko dito.
Chef. Yeah. That's why. Your eyes are like...
Agad ko kasi, oh, shit. Ay,
Scotty!
Okay lang ako. Ano?
hindi ang ganda ng kaibigan ka. Ito na naman.
Baka naman 1K.
Are you surfing and skating today?
I already went to my son this morning.
How was it?
Pretty clean, but it's. The salmon might be alright, there's not much wind.
Grabe, may
I think
pa-ice
we're gonna try Ocean 9.
Okay. We're finally eating. We're finally eating lunch. Sobrang gutom na ako. Ano yun? Famished. So hungry. Okay.
Oo nga, oh.
I mean, sobrang gutom na kasi hindi naman kami nag-breakfast.
Okay lang.
But we're here. And then, dito na din kami Sana ba masyadong tao? Kasi, we wanted to chill here. Kasi pre-access din sila sa beach and pool. Pero syempre ka magsiswimming, di ba? Na para bang lingon-ligo. Gusto lang namin kumain. Kumain. Hi! We can sit anywhere. For two. Ah, okay. Gutom na mi. Ako mag-matcha. Sarap kayo matcha nila dito. Hindi ko siya Yardstick. Yardstick yung ano nila. Here's our orders. So we still wala pa yung main ano namin meal, but nag-pancake kami at grilled cheese na para bang breakfast pa din. Kahit alauna na. It's already 1:23 p.m. But breakfast is for breakfast every time. Because why not? Nandito kami sa Siago. Look at the view. It's so nice. So, pre-access siya sa pool and the beach. And, yeah. Street foods. Oh my God. Rice bowl, pancakes, and grilled cheese. Let's eat, Maggie. Let's eat. Everyone. Kasi hindi na siya masarap pag grilled cheese. For the appetizing. Ang sarap ng ano. Ala, gutom din ako doon.
Lagi ikaw yung target nila, Carl.
Alam mo, gutom din ako doon. Hi guys. So it's time for chill. So I'm reading this book na regalo ni Chap ng birthday ko. Called Blink. The Power of Thinking Without Thinking. And Max is reading that book. The things you can see only when you see. Wow! Diba? Ruth, shout out. Shout out Jap and Ruth for the book sponsors. And this is the view, guys. Look at that. It's so nice. So we're still in Siago, whatever. We ordered iced matcha and watermelon shake. Hulaan nyo na lang kung kanino yung kung kanino yung dalawang yun. Secret.
Very aesthetic din.
Here's our food. Guys.
So this is kinilaw, grilled shrimp, and this one is, ano ba to?
Gilaw din.
Ceviche.
Oh, okay, ceviche.
Pero kilaw din yun.
Gilaw din yun na yun. Ceviche kinilaw.
Guys, update. We're in green room. So, fun fact, this is Gil's. This is Gil's wine bar. So, let's go. Hi. Good evening. Hey.
Where would you guys like to sit?
In green room na for a wine night. Wine night! Eme! We're here na. Sabihin ko kay Ray.
Nice! Nice place!
Nice place, Gil.
Uy, laruin natin yung imposter game!
Saan?
Alam niyo yun?
Saan mo rin ba?
Wala.
Saan?
Ano lang?
Who is... Paano? Paano yung... Ano?
Bunutan. Yung napapanood ko na bunutan sila. Like imposter, tapos item.
Hindi ko alam yun. Parang killer.
Ano mo bunutin natin? The fuck bad people.
Hindi.
Asan yung poster?
Imposter, kunwari, let's say, queen. Yung queen. Tapos, kunwari ako yung imposter.
saan yung card?
Wala
Ay, ito.
Magbibigay ka ng something sa kanya. Ano okay, ano, kaya, king. Yung basta yung related sa kanya.
Okay. So, paano mo malalaman if siya yung imposter? Bobotohan?
Hindi. Maghuhulaan kayo kung sino yung tingin mo yung kunwari, ikaw, malayo yung descriptor mo.
So, sasadyain mo ba na malayo? Ah, kasi hindi mo alam. Hindi mo kasi alam na yun yung...
Kunwari,
nice.
cup. Sabihin mo, water. Siya, juice. Sabihin niya, food. Ano yun? King. Ganyan.
Okay, let's do it.
Siyempre, pinakamalayo.
Ang dami ng may 19 page.
Pero mamaya na pag nakita mo.
Okay, ate. The wine. Oy, let's all try it together. Diba? Na para bang wine, ano sila? Expert. This is green room, guys. That's nice. Okay. Cheers, guys. Picture.
Tama ko yung?
Ito. Tada! Ba't isa lang yung green? Nice ha? Imposter ka ba? Parang kung siya yung vlogger, guys.
Kapatid na vlogger.
You vlog me, I vlog you.
Na para bang
Hoy. Okay, we're gonna cheers.
Cheers muna.
Okay, cheers. Alam kami sa
mataas
wine.
nga.
Para bang wine connoisseur kami dito. Giyasan ka.
Pero mataas nga yung alcohol niya.
Picture? Sa phone mo na. Picture tayo, tapos sila picture na.
Picture mo na sila. Picture.
Wait, lapit ka. I love it.
Nice, guys.
Sandra, where's the egg?
Finish na daw, Daddy. Finish.
Finish.
Where's Leon? Hi, Leon! Ay, Daddy ang Leon.
You take care of Leon.
Oo nga, do you take care of Leon? Okay po, thank you.
You kiss Leon, you kiss.
Guys, it's day 3. And we're going to Sahotan Cave. So, I'm not gonna bring this camera. So, phone na lang yung gamitin natin. Kasi baka masira na naman. But,
Water.
Water.
Give yung water natin.
Dyan.
Uy, hindi
bye
ko
guys.
talaga nakita yung...
Bakit medyo masakit sa pagbagsak ninyo sa ilalim. Walang problema sa hindi marunong lumangoy basta marunong tumalon. Kasi may mag-abang sa baba. O may isang guide sa inyo. Okay! Woohoo! I love Sohoton!
Hi guys, so late vlog update. So we're currently in Big Belly for dinner. So it's a burger kind of night.
1,630.
Update. Guys, we're here again sa green room. Oh my god. Gail, say hi to my vlog. Let's go! The queen of green room.
Ako lang naman kasi eh. So,
Yeah.
ano kasi partner eh.
The queen of Siargao.
Ayaw naman.
Ay, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya ng the queen of Siargao. Start. So this is bamboo matcha. So I saw this one on TikTok. So let's see if it is good. Oh. Eh, dapat dun sa ano, magandang ano.
Tandaan, bayaran mo yung cellphone ko. Yes!
Eh, driving in Siargao!
Little Hawaii pala yung tawag dito. Photo ano din siya, photo. Grabe, sobrang ganda.
Ito yung kanan.
Hold natin ay pang-harap yung tawag sa kanso.
Ito dapat magkanan to. Kaliwa.
Bago tayo sumagay sa board, hawak muna tayo sa gilid.
Yung I mean, kumagsat ng
Tayo yung dip.
yung kanang pao, makita ito pinakamalaki. Para sa akin ang matuloy. Sa akin ha. First, mamatay ka sa board.
Kasi katawan natin, sir. Lagi na sa meeting yung stadium.
Yung pamaus na sa tulo ng board.
Kasi bakit? Kailangan nasa gitna.
Hi guys! Vlog update after one day. So, pa-party kami tonight for our last night in Siargao. So, we went to the north of Siargao and we swam and surf. So, did you see? I have like very prominent tan line now. It's insane. But it is all worth it. Yeah, you wear it. I don't need necklace because I have this flower right here. It's like so fun. So kumain na kami so nag-rent kami ng jeepney today. For same siya nung company na nirenta namin last time that I was here with my college friends. Pero iba yung ano niya, like ibang klaseng jeepney siya kasi 2-door lang siya and then parang pang lalaki. Hindi siya pang girly. So para siyang 4x4. But it's still nice to have jeepney around the island because it's such a car it's such an island car. And then we went to Pacifico for surfing. And then pumunta kami dun sa $1 million view deck or something. Sabi nila it is strictly prohibited to take photos there, but everybody's taking photos, so we did it anyway. And we have such a good photo. And then yeah, it's 9:30 and we're going out. Going out tonight. The girl party. And then we ate at Beby's for grilled stuff. There's a grilled bangus, so we ordered that. And then now we're heading to, where are we heading? I don't know. We're heading to Happiness Bar. I think that's the party place tonight. So let's see if it is gonna be a good party, because last night it's not so fun because it's EDM and I don't like EDM. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so we're now here in CrossFit Siargao. It's our last day today, so we're gonna work out because that's us. So dito kami sa may CrossFit Siargao. And yeah, it's me. I hope I don't die. But that's the point, diba? That's what we want. Pero ang sakit kasi ng yung talampakan ko from the surf yesterday. Apparently mali yung mga bagsak ko at the beginning. That's why it hurts sa may mga sugat siya. So I hope it does not affect the workout that I will do today. But it's currently 8 o'clock Monday, October 27. And yeah, come with us. I mean, work out with us, buddy. So, yun. And then we're gonna have coffee after for sure. And I don't know. Hindi ko kasi makaka-free today. Kahapon kasi hindi. So, yeah. Oh, cheers. Oh, guys. Grabe ang lakas ng isa. Whoa. Nice one. Hey. Hey guys, so time for breakfast. Brunch, actually. Kasi it's already 11:57 and 1 p.m. kami ipipick up ni Kuya. So we ordered eggs Benny, hati kami ni Madge, and then this tuna poke bowl. And it's so good. I miss it. I miss it. Guys. Yeah. Look at the view. It's now sunny. Kanina ang kulim niya. It's so nice. Ang ganda talaga dito sa
Masarap siya kapag may chili.
This is tuna, guys. Sarap. Pop.
Dito, sarap naman. Girl, ayusin mo nga. Yung dalawa ni Iya.
Hirap sundan ko eh.